Another Bitcoin breakdown is happening right now, and in this exact video I will be talking about what is about to be happening next. I will talk about the CME Gap Bitcoin is currently creating. I will talk about this important rejection I've already been talking about for the past 3 days, and much more important stuff on today's update video. I will talk about this daily support and what will happen to Bitcoin if we break below it, but more importantly on how we can exactly trade either the breakdown or either the retest on the lower side. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. I will give a brief update on altcoins and of course on Bitcoin. So don't forget to slap up that like button. Can we once again smash it back above 700? That will be absolutely incredible, and let's jump straight away in towards the content. So what we can currently see on the imminent short term is that Bitcoin was basically of course creating this previous support right here that was right now flipping into resistance, and this level I exactly said it while we were trading here on the lower side. Bitcoin will probably pump back towards the upside, and the 27.8 to 9k is going to be the level that's going to provide resistance. So like you can see, we retested this exact level, and after we retested it, we created somewhat of a double top, and we're coming down right now. To be very clear, this could potentially be the beginning of the next leg towards the downside, so make sure to get ready right now, because currently of course we can see Bitcoin is about to be breaking below the upward sloping support line. But what is very important to look at is this horizontal level right here. Currently we are still running in towards horizontal support, because you can clearly see previous resistance flipping into support right here, and if we confirm the break below this level, I personally think Bitcoin is going to head lower, and I'm going to be talking about my price targets in a second from now on. But it is going to be very important to be looking at this horizontal level right here, and if Bitcoin confirms the break below 27.3k, I am expecting a further continuation towards the downside. Currently we can clearly see that Bitcoin created a CME gap below us around 27.2k, so let's see if we're going to come down to fill up the CME gap. And to be very clear, there is also still a CME gap below us all the way down to $20,000, but personally I don't really think it's going to be that likely that we're actually going to fill up that CME gap. But please do be aware there is still a CME gap significantly trading below us. Of course, I've been talking about the most important support slash resistance. That was of course around this middle range right here. Also, the majority of the volume in this range was traded around this level, and you can clearly see this was a big level of support, and currently it's acting as resistance. So I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin really is going to create that next leg towards the downside from off this point onwards. I've said it for quite a while. I still think Bitcoin is going to head lower, only we do to have a rebound. We got the rebound, and right now actually I'm expecting we could be starting to head lower. Actually right now as well, we are creating somewhat of a bear flag here. So yeah, if we really break the upward sloping support on the 4-hourly time frame, it's only going to be a bigger confirmation that Bitcoin is actually heading lower. And just like I said in the beginning of the video, if we break below the green box of support, that is where I would really say this is the continuation towards the downside. Where is the next big support for Bitcoin? So the next big support I'm going to be looking at is 26.6k. But of course, the ultimate target I am looking for if we break below $27,000 is going to be 24.8k to 25.2k. Why? Is because that level that I just mentioned is this major level of previous resistance that I will be longing. And I can tell you already, I will be opening up my biggest Bitcoin long trade on this level. So make sure to subscribe to the channel right now to stay up to date, because currently I closed out on all my short positions. I was looking to get a new entry on my shorting trades. Currently, unfortunately, I've not got entered, but currently I'm still bearish. But what I am doing is waiting for the market to retrace, and then I will be opening up a gigantic Bitcoin long position worth 1 to 2 million US dollars. So make sure to get ready for that one. It would be by far the biggest trade I've ever opened. So make sure to subscribe to the channel right now to exactly stay up to date about my next trade, because this one will be absolutely insane and it will be important to be watching. Also, if you're interested in trading yourself, don't forget to check out the links in the description. You can currently sign up an account using the link in the description to claim a deposit bonus up to $30,000. And without this link, it's only $4,000. So it's definitely a win-win scenario. Furthermore, you can see clearly on the daily time frame. First, what I want to be seeing here is that confirmed daily break below this support right here. If we do see the confirmed daily break below this support, I am really expecting the continuation to be happening quite quickly. So that is what I'm currently aiming for. That is what what I'm currently looking for. And if you're looking at the bigger picture, it makes so much sense to see the continuation or the retest of the 24.6k level. Why? 24.6k is this major previous level of resistance. You can also see it was the neckline in the inverse head and shoulders where Bitcoin first created that bottom, created that lower low, and then created a higher low. What is of course making a perfect inverse head and shoulder. So far, we have not seen the retest. So if we will be able to trade this exact retest right here, it's going to be absolutely amazing. So that is what I will be looking at. I will be looking to trade the retest, and that is why I will be start to dollar cost average in towards my Bitcoin long positions from off approximately $25,000. So yeah, really subscribe to the channel if you want to be staying up to date about the trade, because yeah, once we, let's say, have a flash crash towards the downside or something happen, I will either jump live to show my trade here on the channel, or I will either make an emergency video so you guys exactly know what I'm doing next with my trade. Currently looking at the weekly time frame, we can actually see that the Bitcoin bull market support band is actually coming in also around $25,000. And like we do know from the previous bull market, this bull market support band is really an important level to be looking at in the bull market stages or in the bear market recovery stage. If we really fall below it, that is of course going to be a sign of worry. But currently the big support of this level is also exactly coming in at this previous high on the weekly time frame. So also if you're looking where the weekly candle close is, it's coming in around 24.4k to 24.3k. So really where I expect a big bounce to be happening from off is of course that low 24s. So yes, of course, while we'll be already start to dollar cost average in towards the straight from off $25,000, the ultimate level where I expect really the bounce is going to be happening from is the low 24s. So make sure to pay attention towards that one as well. But it is exactly also coming in on the weekly support band. And if you're also looking at the EMA ribbon, it also is coming very closely towards the weekly EMA ribbon. So those things are actually looking quite nice for Bitcoin right now. Then real quickly talking about altcoins, we can currently see that the Bitcoin dominance is actually right now going quite sideways. And what we're really waiting for is either a breakout towards the upside or that rejection from of the big level of resistance. So we could start to see a confirmation about what altcoins are really going to do next from here on. So far, we have to wait. Either it's going to be altcoin season if we see that rejection, or either it's going to be Bitcoin season if we see that potential breakout towards the upside. So we have to be a little bit more patient right now. Currently, I don't think it's a bad time to be buying altcoins at all. But of course, if we do break bullish, we could head higher. And then, of course, I'm expecting 52 to 53% is going to get reached for the Bitcoin dominance. Anyways, this was it for me in today's update video. I truly hope you did enjoy it. If you did learn anything from it, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Make sure to keep your eyes wide open on this green box right here on the imminent short term. This is the most important level to be looking at. If we break below the horizontal support, I'm expecting the dump is going to really start for Bitcoin. And we could start to see that movement getting initiated towards that $24,000. So that was it for me in today's update video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.